Ni hao, how are you? My name is Sui Huang and I'm Chinese. My Chinese name is Huang Sui Fang. I was born in China and I learned my Tai Chi and practice when I was in China. And after I moved to the United States and I continue learn Tai Chi from the Tai Chi master Weilun Huang in Miami. So later on, I got a job teach Tai Chi on a cruise, Holland America Cruise Line. Right now, I'm teaching here is try to introduce you the Chinese traditional practice, the Tai Chi form. So my Tai Chi form, my teaching style is different than others. And which is, the number one is say, I put the simple, easy, basic forms together, make a short form, and to teach, introduce to the beginners, and let them learn from the beginning and to the end. And what I'm doing is starting from the easy movements. Once they get used to it, and they will and learn the path of the move and get to the end. So I would repeat and repeat, just unlike others. That's how it is. So that's the form like this. So I would repeat, and so you get easy for you to follow. Another thing, different than others, I make the forms and easy ones, but I want to make it do it on one side and then the other. So you are gonna practice the same form on the right and also on the left. That way you can train your brain, train your body muscles, get used to it, so get the even move. So like I park the horse mane in one side and then the other. So once you do it evenly on both sides, then you would increase your balance. That's the purpose doing that. So, and that's something different than other forms. Right now, we're teaching the number 2, Easy Tai Chi 2. The name I call Easy Tai Chi is all those basics, the principles and the steps and the walks. In the Easy Tai Chi 1, I introduce those little rules, Tai Chi rules, and how to form your hands, and how do you stand, and how to walk, and how to turn your directions. That's what you learn from the Easy Tai Chi 1. So that is the purpose I'm doing, and this Tai Chi form, and make it like a series, and from 1 and 2 and then 3 and then go on. So now you are learning Easy Tai Chi 2. So, and I hope you would learn something from me and will like it, like my course. Thank you.